We are pleased to show you the 2014 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, exterior entry lights, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.